Daviker Workforce Management looks at all the different interactions within your contact centre and your business and uses statistical analysis to make sure you have the right staff with the right skills in place to meet your goals. It does this whilst at the same time keeping your staff levels and therefore your costs to a minimum. Daviker Workforce Management works by consolidating all your interactions into one system. And by interactions, I mean things like calls, emails, chat and social media. Once we know how many interactions are taking place and we've analysed their historical patterns and frequencies, we can then build up a workforce schedule to meet these demands. We then match these schedules up with your workforce's availability, factoring things such as holidays, contracted hours, skills, preferred shift patterns and individual preferences. From here we can run and refine schedules, and once we're completely happy, distribute the schedule to your team via email and SMS. With Daviker Workforce Management, we've seen reductions in staffing costs in excess of 30%. There's an obvious and immediate staff saving, which for many contact centres is by far their biggest cost. The beauty of the solution is you can actually see the cost of each shift you create. And from there you can refine or amend the model, say from 90-10 to 80-20, and then see the cost benefits of providing the service. That alone is very powerful. Another huge advantage of contact centres running workforce management is that they can be far more flexible. We see lots of contact centres running, for example, 1 or maybe 2 shifts, and that's for a simple reason. That's all they can administrate. Workforce management allows you to be flexible with your shifts, staff, and use this flexibility to meet your customers' needs. The reduction of administration for a contact centre running workforce management is staggering. We've seen contact centres trying to manage hundreds of agents on Excel spreadsheets. The time that goes into that and the room for error is enormous. A Daviker Workforce Management user can create schedules for thousands of staff, factor in tens of thousands of criteria, and then distribute that schedule to everyone involved in minutes. Workforce management will help deliver a more engaged and satisfied workforce. Staff will be able to have their preferences factored into shift planning. You'll be able to offer shifts that would have been too difficult to administrate previously, such as part-time, occasional hours and flexi-time. In addition to that, your team will also be able to request overtime, swap shifts and book holidays, all via the user portal, without taking up masses of management time. In addition to a satisfied workforce, your customers will also notice an improved level of service. By monitoring real-time adherence to your forecast, management will be able to identify deviations from schedule before they become a problem. A business using workforce management will have a better understanding of all the channels they have to serve. They'll understand their workforce's availability and skills and therefore have a better chance of delivering customer excellence. Most of our customers choose us because we know contact centres as a whole. We don't just have experience of delivering workforce management, and we think past the simplicities of X calls equals Y staff. We understand the different systems, demands, inputs and processes within a contact centre and how they combine to create a constantly changing environment. Once you understand the business and the way it interacts with its clients, then you have a chance to analyse and forecast its workforce. We have the experience and ability to understand your business and to deliver a workforce management solution that will help you serve your customers better.